I work in a day service for people with learning disabilities, and for the last several years we've been working with people with quite complex learning disabilities. We've also been working with young people in transition, so people who are actually in one of our local special needs schools, and actually working with them in their last year of school to actually prepare them for a smooth transition into adult life.
I nominated Julie for this award because she is fantastic at what she does. She's really inspirational and a leader in her field. Some of the work that Julie does really makes a huge difference to individuals, both in the community and in their services. She's inspired a whole staff team, and yeah, she's got passion and drive and core values that keep people at the centre of everything that she does.
Making a difference to somebody else's life. I think that's what gets me up in the morning. What motivates me is actually, feeling that actually you've made a positive difference to somebody else's life. And that can be the young person, but it can also be the family. I feel really privileged to do what I do. I've got the best job in the world because actually what I get to see is people living their lives, living their best lives, understanding what a good adult life looks like for that young person, and actually working with my team to actually make that happen with that young person is just absolute best job in the world.